Let's see how padding and margin work in the Appy Pie App Builder editor. We'll select a CTA and adjust its spacing. The Properties panel shows margins and paddings on the right. Padding sets the space inside the button, around the text. The top padding is 7. Let's change it to 14. Now update the bottom padding to 14 as well. Increase the right padding to 28. Set the left padding to 28 for even spacing. Now let's adjust the margin values. Margins control the outer spacing around the button. We'll clear the extra margins for a tighter layout. The CTA now looks clean, balanced, and professional. Once you're happy, click Save. And you're all set. Stay tuned.